Rin ni si Alvin dahil pinakakugihan ni sa kuhain ka na sa Jollibee. Natanawa ang ibuhat. Nag-contract tayo sa kuhan sa ventilage. What I called her, bro? No, you're wrong, bro. Like ventilation, bro.
Walker.
No, like this is ventilation. I think so. So that's why this guy is gonna be a very good guy and
Very good guy.
yes, this guy is very you know what I mean, like
What the fuck, bro?
you know what I mean, like independent boy. This is Alvin, the independent boy. He's trying her best, her best to provide her family. I think so, her, but I'm trying, you know. So Alvin, he gonna spray the rust of the...
Aldrin is lying.
No, I'm not lying. I'm seriously speaking, bro.
I'm not lying, bro.
Do you think I'm funnying with you? No. I'm serious boy, bro. So, just keep going, bro.
The lying is Aldrin, bro.
Who's that guy told you that you are clean that?
What's up, bro?
Who's that guy told you can clean that? Tayo, nag-endorse